Welcome back to Tesha Time. Let's play Open or Pass Squishy Dumpling. There is either a treasure or a trap inside each box. You only can choose yes or no, so make sure you choose right choice. Subscribe Tesha Time so you can have more fun quizzes. Okay, let's play. First challenge. Would you unboxing this box? Yes or no? Wow, giant unicorn dumpling! Would you buy this box for $30? Follow your heart? Yay, it's gold iPhone! Would you eat this for dinner? Yes or no? Chicken feet. Would you give this to your parents? Yes or no? Delicious crepes. Would you trade your phone for this box? Dirty socks. Hope you say no. Would you accept this box? Yes or no? Wow, diamond squishy! Would you buy this box for your best friend? Cool! A rare gold squishy dumpling! Would you smash this box for $100? Be honest! Barbie squishy! Would you give this for your siblings? Yes or no? Oh no! Poop squishy! Would you steal this box from your brother? Are you sure? Cockroaches! Yucks! Would you keep this box or sell it for $500? Yes or no? Rare Coca-Cola squishy. Would you open this box using only your teeth? Birthday cake squishy. Would you eat this every day? Choose wisely. Pizza. Would you bring this to school? Yes or no? Ugly Barbie. Would you give this to your grandmother? Expensive iPhone. Would you eat this as lunch? KFC lunch meal. I hope you say yes. Would you give this for your sister? Yes or no? Sushi squishy. Would you eat this as snack? Are you sure? Burnt muffin, so bitter. Would you open this box without looking? Wow, rare sunflower squishy dumpling! Would you have this for your Halloween? Oh no! Broken pumpkin! Would you sleep with this? Are you sure? It's rotten orange! Yucks! Would you hide this box under your bed forever? Oh no, rotten yogurt! Would you save this box for yourself? Yes or no? Moon Squishy, so cute! Would you gift this to your favorite teacher? Are you sure? Pink Diamond Squishy! Would you put this in your backpack? Dog Squishy, so cool! Good job, everyone! Do you like your squishy? Now let's play your next challenge!